light water purifier. Free you of worries about outdoor water. Easy to purify the water during camping, hiking, travel, and emergency. It is the world's best portable purifier system. Light water is designed to be the best automatic water filter for outdoor enthusiasts, easily solving the problem of using clean and safe water outdoors. With advanced safety filtration technology and lightweight design, light water is perfect for camping, hiking, and backpacking or any other outdoor activity you like. It weighs about 220 grams only. Just press the switch twice and light water will automatically filter the water for you. No pump or press or any wait for the chemicals to work, and you'll save time for more outdoor activities. Jet bowl dip cooking system. Blistering bowl thumbs come standard on the Flash personal cooking system, the ultimate camping stove for preparing coffee, soup, or dehydrated meals on the trail. Optimized for efficiency, the Flash boils water in a lightning quick 100 seconds, making it the fastest jet bowl ever. Jet bowl's 1 liter fluctuating cooking cup with insulating cozy max boiling water and keeping it warm a breeze. Start heating instantly with the convenient, reliable push button igniter, and verify that the water's ready with the thermochromatic color change heat indicator. Compatible jet boil accessories such as a coffee press, hanging kit, pot support, skillets, fluctuating cooking pot, and utensils make this a necessity for your next backpacking adventure. Lifesaver. Lifesaver is the ultimate companion for backcountry survival. We believe it will become your mechatronic multi-tool for every emergency. Not only is the Lifesaver an inexhaustible cell phone recharger, but it also functions as a hub for energizing custom accessories. These snap-in tools are compact, lightweight, reliable, and less expensive because there are no redundant parts. Ultimately, you can enjoy the wilderness without worrying about whether or not your cell phone battery will survive the trip. With Lifesaver, you can recharge your phone at any time, indoor or outdoor, with a simple ergonomic motion that even a child can master. Introducing Gamma, the ultimate all-climate jacket. Gamma jacket is a durable, lightweight, insulated jacket that doesn't compromise function or fashion. Gamma is your everyday jacket, your travel jacket, and your going out jacket. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or popping into town for a coffee, the heat insulating design will warm you up in a matter of seconds. Gamma is the only jacket you'll need all year round, all around the globe. Graphene is what makes Gamma unlike any other active wear. Graphene is a nano-lattice, just 1 atom thick, yet it's stronger than diamond. Gamma makes graphene integrated clothing to a whole new level of modern sustainability and style. Life 10 Survival Shelter. The Go Time Gear Life 10 is a high-performance 2-person emergency shelter, engineered to keep you dry, warm, and alive in any survival situation. If you are lost on a hiking trip, stranded outside in a winter storm, or forced to spend an unplanned night out during an emergency situation, this Life 10 is a small investment that could save your life. Its extra thick, puncture-resistant shelter reflects 90% of your body heat and locks out rain, wind, and snow. It is ultra light and packable, and it also includes an ultra loud whistle to alert rescuers up to 1 mile away. Titan Survivor Steet Ferro Rod. next one is the Ferro rod from Titan Survivor. Forget about matches. This special design full-size Ferro rod was manufactured to start fire quickly even in a downpour. Just scrape the fire starter with the back of your knife, focusing the 3000-degree sparks toward your bird's nest, tinder, or magnesium dust and generate roaring fires quickly. It is the perfect size to easily store in your backpack, keep with your EDC, or attach it to your knife sheath. The handle of this survival steel ferro rod is also woven with 9 feet of Titan's patent. Nemo Reclining Chair, the next generation in camp comfort. Stargate's recliner luxury has been re-engineered for even more comfort and stability. With a lower center of gravity and extended feet range, this first ever swinging and reclining camp chair takes relaxation to a new level. The swinging offers an exciting new sitting experience with a relaxation motion that is designed for comfort. And when you are ready to recline, simply lean back to activate the auto-reclining mechanism and enjoy a great view of the stars. Hammock Culla. The Hammock Culla is the perfect hammock accessory. It is an insulated outer shell which wraps around your hammock and uses our insulating technology and retains your body heat within its inner walls. It keeps you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The Hammock Culla is suitable for most 1 or 2-person hammocks. It will fit as an underquilt for hammock camping and hammock top quilt to create an insulating hammock heaven. It is super light and is very easy to lug around on your hiking or camping trips, making it ideal for hammock backpacking. And yes, if you get some interesting information from this video, then please do support us by clicking the like button, and if you have any compliments, please feel free to give comments. See you on the next video.